Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, Smokin Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video, I'm going to be smoking up some outside skirt steaks from Midland Meat Company on my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker. So stay tuned. Alright, so I've got 5 different sections of outside skirt steak from Midland Meat Company here. And let me see if you guys can see this. Hopefully you guys can see the marbling on the camera. This is absolutely beautiful. Now, I don't think I have to do any trimming to the skirt steak. And this is outside skirt steak, which is a lot more tender than your inside skirt steak. Your inside skirt steak is usually going to be actually as wide as 2 of these strips. And it's got a lot more fat in it, and it's a little bit more tough as well. This one does have a little bit of fat. I have my knife here just in case I have to trim, but I got to tell you, the folks at Midland Meat Company do a pretty decent job of trimming. One piece of advice when you do trim, just lay your knife nice and flat, okay, and give this a light trim. And again, there's not a whole lot of fat, quite honestly. I could leave that on there if I wanted to. There's a little bit here on this one. Just take that right off. Make sure you use a nice sharp knife. This piece here, again, nothing too bad. Just lay your knife nice and flat and try to get some of that fat off of there. Just like that. There you go. So the seasoning, I'm going to keep it really simple. I'm using my garlic jalapeno seasonal. I'm just going to season one of these. But enough of this delicious rub. Make sure we get both sides. Just like that. And then come back and hit it with the beef rub from Victory Lane Barbecue. Just like that. So I'm going to be smoking these in my Yoder YS640 pellet smoker. The temperature I'm going to smoke these at is 400 degrees. I want to get these nice and hot. The trick to getting some really good fajitas, actually this is fajitas or outside skirt steak, is to really sear the outside really fast. Cook it really fast while keeping some moisture on the inside. Now, a lot of people don't like to see any red in their meat. I like a little bit of red, not too much. So I'm probably going to smoke these to about 140 degrees and then take them off at that point and let them rest for a little bit. But that's it, real simple seasoning. I'm going to let these rest for about an hour before I put them in my smoker. I'll see you guys back outside when we come back in about 2 seconds. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're outside and my Yoder YS640 is up to temperature. Again, the temperature is set at 400 degrees. And one of the nice things about this pellet grill, this Yoder, is its ability to maintain that temperature. Now, if you guys have been watching my channel for quite some time, you know that I like to cook on the top rack. But for this cook, I want to get these the skirt steak or these fajitas really nice and hot. And this bottom section is what I'm looking for. The temperature is going to be really nice and hot. I will come out here probably 10 minutes from now and flip these fajitas, and you'll see the sear marks on that skirt steak. So I'm going to give this about 10 minutes and we'll be back, so stay tuned. Alright, so it's been exactly 10 minutes now, and let's see what this Yoder is doing to these beautiful Wagyu skirt steaks. Oh, look at that. Got some grill marks on these. Look at that. How perfect is that? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Still nice and tender on the inside. I can feel it. Alright. So I'm going to give this another 10 minutes. Come back and take an internal temperature and see where we're at. So stay tuned. There we go. Clearer picture. Stay tuned. Alright, so it's been another 10 minutes now, and the internal temperature is 145, so it went a little over, that's fine. But you can tell it's extremely tender, nice and juicy. So I'm going to pull them off, let them rest for about 10 minutes, and we'll slice it to them. So stay tuned. All right, so the fajitas are ready, and I let them rest for about 10 minutes. So total cook time was 20 minutes, about 10 minutes on each side, and let them rest for 10 minutes, and they are extremely juicy, as you can see here on my cutting board. Now, to cut these fajitas, what I like to do is cut them into sections like this. Man, these are really tender. And then you turn your skirt steak and cut it this way on the bias, just like this here. Man, I don't know if you guys can see how it's like slicing butter. Oh man, good amount of smoke ring. You know, for a cook that only took about 10 minutes on each side. Look at this smoke ring. Hope you guys can make that up or make it out. But really, really juicy. It just falls apart. Let's give it a taste. Oh my. Unbelievable. I'm speechless. The smoke ring is good, the flavor from the rubs, but I gotta tell you, the folks at Midland Meat Company are doing something very special with their beef. I've had their beef ribs, the tri-tip, and now these beef fajitas. I've never had fajitas that just fall apart like this, that are so tender and juicy, extremely juicy. I mean, my cutting board is extremely juicy here, but these are absolutely amazing. Again, the folks at Midland Meat Company, I mean, look at this. Just super tender. Can't get enough of this. Hope you guys like this video. Let me finish chewing. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Ask any questions. Till next time, Joe with Smokin Joe's Barbecue. See you guys.